Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change name in Subway Surfers. First of all, launch the Subway Surfers app open on your device and go ahead and tap on the high score icon at the top left. Here you will be able to see your character's profile picture and its name. Click on edit and then click the pencil button at the top and enter a new name you want to change to. Make sure that you create a name including these criteria. Once done, click on continue. Remember that you can change your name once every 7 days. So once you tap continue and this name has been saved, you'll only be able to change your name after 1 week. Now your new name will be reflected on your profile in Subway Surfers. That is how you can easily change your name in Subway Surfers, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.